Hello, this test is for a OER resource, Physical Geology Equella. We are going to see what we can figure out in terms of its accessibility. So we're going to launch JAWS.
Professional Physical Geology Vertical Bar Equella Internet Explorer Physical Geology Stephen Earle Book Cover. Download this book. Physical Geology is a comprehensive introductory text on the physical aspects of geology.
Alright, let's see if we can get in here.
Read book link. Read book. Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Preface enter. Heading level 1 preface. Banner end. Blank. This book was born out of a 2014 meeting of Earth Science Educators by a wide real inspiration. Tab.
Let's see, on that left side window.
Tab. Logo for BC. Tab. Home link.
I want to get to that next section button over here, but I want to try to do it using the keyboard.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Preface :1.
Let's see. Alright, we're going to do a links list.
Links list dialog. Link next section. Enter. Next section link. Acknowledgement physical geology frame.
So it looks like visibly the page is a little off here, but it seems to be reading appropriately.
Acknowledgement physical geology. Acknowledgement physical geology.
Let's see if we can get into contents. The top left corner here. On the left side.
Tab. Logo for PC open text. Tab. Digital PDF left parent. Web name keyboard short physical geology.
That didn't do it. Let's see
Banner.
if we can get in there. Contents. We're looking for contents.
Read. Sign. Read. Next sec. Creative. Steven. Create. Press. Learn more.
Let's see. Well, for now,
Heading level 3 button expanded.
Heading level 3 button. I see.
List of 3 items. Heading level 3 button collapsed front matter. List of 149 items. Nesting level 1. Link chapter 1 introduction. Link 1.1 what is geology? Link 1. Enter. 1.2 why study Earth? Link 1.2 why study Earth? Decrease font size button. Decrease font size. Read visited link. Search region. Link. Banner.
Let's see. Maybe if we
digital PDF left parent.
download
PDF right parent
PDF of it, we can
1%.
Get some more information. Okay, it finally downloaded this PDF file. Took a while. We're just gonna run a quick accessibility check on it to see if this book is accessible. Let's go in pretty quick there. So it's not tagged, which is bad, and tab order is bad. Well, that's not a good sign. Yeah, it's not recognizing. The bookmarks are in there. The tags need work though. Let's see. Go back to the report. Yeah, tables, issues, headings, issues. Alright, let's see what else we can check with this. Alright, I went back to the book here. and I clicked on a random content page, and we're just gonna test again.
Context menu to navigate, press up or down it, leaving menu, empty document, MP, link, delete, print, PD, link, e-reader, left parent, dot,
so the images aren't being recognized, but
e-reader, left parent, dot, right parent, link.
They could be decorative images.
Figure 22.7 protoplanetary disk in Saturn's rings. Upper left colon an artist's impression of a protoplanetary disk containing acid dust surrounding the news.
So the image has decent alt text on it, which is good. Ooh, exercise.
Heading level 122.3 blank. Carla blank. A solar system consists. Heading list dialog. Exercise enter. Heading level 3 exercises blank. Exercise 22 blank. The densities of planets.
My goal is to get down to this table, just to take a look.
Density of planets in comparison blank. It is useful to approximate as rocky asphalt blank. Planet blank. Rearranging the equation gives us colon. Blank. Percent core equals left parent planet density at that blank. Step 1. See the table with 4 columns and 3 rows. A. Description. Density left parent G/CM3 right parent. Source Y. Core density 8.00. Iron meteorite. These come from the core
Okay,
of
that's pretty good.
Rocky 3.25. Head star stony meteorites. Head meteorites come from table end. Blank. Table 22.1 core and mantle density from meteor. Calculation is by hand. Table is Earth, Mars, Venus, Mars, Earth.
So we're in this above table right here.
Core radius star 3,176 nucleus blank. Left parent core radius / planet blank. 55%. Blank.
Maybe we're in this table, actually.
Table column 1, row 4. Planet radius star and km. Tab shows 55% wedge link graphic. Tab diagram 2 link graphic. Tab diagram 2 link graphic. Out of table hammer. Heading level 122.
So it does a decent job.
Figure.
Do next section.
Next section visited link. Next section visited.
See, visually it just kind of bugs me because we have these floating previous and next. The layout is a little, got some weird overlay, but in terms of readability from a assistive technology standpoint, it seems to be reading just fine. So I think it's okay to use, but I would be cautious of the amount of things used in here. If there are specific sections that are being used, I would recommend checking those specific sections because this is a very large book. When I downloaded the PDF, it was not completely accessible. With more time, I would probably explore these other options here just to verify if they were accessible. Generally, how it works is the HTML file is created first, and then these other things are created. So based on the HTML, you can kind of figure out whether or not the document is accessible. So it seems to be reading pretty fine. It's a little clunky visual, but I don't see any major problems with it.